Yeah, just one of these.
Pizza?
Yeah, pizza, yeah. Cheese and tomato, okay. Whatever is good, I will listen to you.
Prosciutto?
It's good? Okay, yeah. It's like fried dough. Okay, thanks, gracias. I've never had this before, fried pizza. Try to do a taste test here. It's leaking loads of tomato out, so I don't know how to do this, but it's messy. I don't think I'm eating it right because the people in the background are laughing, but it tastes good, man. I'll rip it apart because I think it's easier to eat. They say it's just got like all the dough, cheesy mozzarella. It's all in my beard as well, it's so cheesy. I'm literally stood in the back alleys in the middle of Naples eating fried pizza.